How you feeling today? I'm just riding my way to wherever it takes me. Teas in my taste. Can you picture a place where there's peace and grace? I leave the blueprints on my steps you can trace.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hvacroddy on top of a roof. Just want to tell you guys thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to keep up with weekly content every Thursday. Enjoy the video.
Alrighty, here we go at the house. No heat. This is a weird place to have your furnace. Okay, like in a little cubby. It's a garage area. They just like like a little cubby, and that's the first time I seen it. Customer says that he just doesn't feel no hot air coming in. So far I just turned the thermostat on to see what happens, and it sounds like the inducer motor comes on, but that gas valve has doing nothing, or the igniter's not doing nothing. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Alright, so what we got so far is, yeah, that inducer motor starts, but that's really all that's going on. Hopefully you see there's anything blocking that pressure switch or not from it letting it click. Let's see. We got it right back on. Basically what happened was that something was clogging up the pressure out and clean them up and get back down to it. But yes, it's clicked on back on now. You put the top back on and test it out some more. As you can see, the furnace is back up and open. What happened was the low pressure switch was being blocked by something. It could be settlement, it could be dust, could be who knows what. So basically the secrets of operation, I just figured if the inducer motor is working and the pressure switch isn't closing, then it must be something in between, which has to be a little orange tubing right there. What you see me do is take the tubing out and suck in, sadly, into the tubing. The orange tubing. I don't really like doing that, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And that sometimes clears it out. Also, I just wanted to hear if the low pressure switch was closing or not, and I did hear the little ting noise going on with it. And I stick my little meter engage. Sometimes the little outlet of this part right here, if I can get my hand on it. Alright, this part right here gets clogged up. Sometimes you just have to stick something in there and just, unclog it. And we did that, and it seems like the system is working pretty fine right now. I tested it out about 3-4 times. I haven't really had no problems with it kicking on. What I did was I basically replaced the tubing also. I figured I had some tubing I could replace it with, and I just decided to replace the whole tubing itself. So basically what it does is just get clogged up inside here. You can't really see in there, but it just settles in there, clogs it up, and it'd be tough to work after that. But that's really all I did. Just want to add that into the video. Outside of that, should be all good, and yeah, back to the car.